So what you have here is a spin display. You want to put your own personal artwork on or other type of artwork. You can do anything imaginable and present it to the world. We're going to show you what this spin display is about and get you started. As we unpack the MS30D1BZ 232 ultra bright LEDs 11.8-inch spin display with the protective screen and display cover. We're opening up. You're going to simply remove the insides, showing the instruction manual. Download the application, easy to follow instructions and setup guide. A remote control. Please remove the protective battery cover with the traceable battery. We have a 110 volt, 12 volt DC power converter with a special dedicated plug. We have a USB 2.0 compliance card reader. Removing the spin display and the protective film cover, the 232 ultra bright beads, the acrylic cover, the on and off button, the Missyou logo, and rotating around to the back are the removable tabs to get to the SDXC card located on the bottom of the unit, and the back is the dedicated DIN plug and rubber feet. Smartphone app driven, easy to follow instructions to set up, as well as PC and Windows by getting an optional Phillips screwdriver to access the SDXC card to load to the computer. We are now going to remove the back screws. Carefully remove the screws. Place to the side. Separating and lifting the cover up and out, the whole unit. And rotating down. Freeing from the special DIN plug to the back, we are now going to locate the SDXC card located over here. Release the card with the face value facing up. With the supplied micro SD USB 2 compliance, place into the card reader. Remove the protective cover, locate your slot, and slide in the USB to be recognized. We have here our 9 files, and we're opening up the app and PC RAR. That opens up to the 5D displayer. Once the application is loaded up to the 5D displayer and you have set up your files, you then place everything back into the spin display. With the pin connections facing up, slide in, lock in, connect the cables together by placing on, by rotating around, and carefully connecting. Once connected and secured and covered down, place back in the screws and lock down all 3 screws. We're going to set up by plugging in the cable, plugging into the power source, making sure that the switch is in the off position flush to the unit, and placed where we need to have with an extension cord to reach an outlet. The unit will light up white as well as the logo, and when shutting off with the remote control, the unit will stay lit with the white and logo backlight. When turning on the unit, we're going to go through a number of images for you. It starts out with a green fish a bass. The unit has audio for Bluetooth connection. We could dim and brighten up the image by a number of increments. 3. We'll fast forward to the third image, which is a strawberry, a bowl of cherries, a rockfish, a Santa Claus, a Happy Meal, a soda can, a Christmas wreath, and a bowl of flowers, then back to the sea bass. We could go to the previous as well, and we could recycle forward and back, repeat how many times, and infinity, and pause. And we could hit the play button to continue. Shutting the unit off, we have a backlight. In the easy application guide is an application to download your app, which is 5D Displayer. Open up the 5D Displayer. The unit must be in the on position. We have an on and off switch. We have a settings for brightness, volume, angle, BLE, format, and local. We have in the upper left-hand corner, turn on the unit in full, locate 3D and the serial number, and connect. Close down your settings and reopen up 5D Displayer. You have all your images that you could change over. You can delete off the image by simply sliding to the side. You can pause the image, repeat the image, and so forth. In here, you hit the plus, go into the local, add in an image that you have created of a dinosaur and cube. Pick the amount of time and send. The unit is processing the information and loading. When the unit completes loading, we are with 100% and on the application what we have loaded. We're going to show you how to make a logo of a coffee cup and load in. With smartphones, any type of photo or video in MP4 up to a certain amount of time formatted to bin by the computer. We have created a video of the coffee cup. We're reopening up the application, hitting the plus, mobile album. In the mobile album, we have the coffee cup. We have created audio. We choose the coffee cup. We pinch on the screen to fit in and send. Place a name. And we are loading up. We have created our coffee cup and we play our video. And we repeat the video. We are connecting our Bluetooth to the unit by going into settings, opening up BLE, and we have the unit giving a countdown in audio. If you don't want the Bluetooth, hit the Bluetooth off. As we play our video we have just made. We have created a video by the computer. We have created a video. And to turn the unit off remotely, simply just hit the remote control off. We have gone over how to hook up the application. It is very easy and simple to use. Hooking up to Bluetooth as well. For your expo business, places where you need to display for your hobby and more. Create your own logo design and add it into a photo or video. through the application. Very easy and simple to do. Working with the computer side, please disconnect your application of the smartphone and force down. You can select files from the computer and add in and adjust and export. You can choose the different types of spin displays located on the side. Once loaded up into the SDXC card, you transfer over to the spin display and you can create any type of logo. We're going to add a logo in of a wolf and we're going to hit the plus, load up, make him just a little bit big, 22 seconds long, put a name to it and hit OK. We are completed and we're going to have the wolf play with the black background. As you can see my hands through there. There is endless possibilities that you can do with the 3D display from Missyou with 5D displayer via the smartphone app and MP4 files converted over to bin. Put your own photos on and more. In the local or mobile library, those are the options you have to load up things. I hope you enjoy your spin display. Use it remotely. Put it on a display window by the hobby, wherever you need to display your artwork. Enjoy your 5D display from Missyou. Thank you for viewing.